and that linear mind mapping being used for them to actually write reports and other documents. And we brought it into the Ranger Battalion. And that was my first exposure to it, because I went from the Ranger Battalion after being shot in the head. That's when I went into the remote viewing unit. And when I was in extended remote viewing, in the remote viewing unit, they didn't understand how to capture the data. They just kind of expected you were going to come out on the other side of the remote viewing exercise, extended remote viewing, and figure out a way as best you could to capture the information and to construct it into a summary. So I was able to come out of the remote viewing unit or be in there and then remember what I learned in the Ranger Battalion from what was brought from West Point to perfect this skill of nonlinear mind mapping and use it to recall and then generate session summaries with. So that's the brief history of where it came from for me and how we started using it. So we're going to do this and an explanation of this, and then we're going to learn nonlinear mind mapping. Okay? And I'll give you a brief explanation of linear mind mapping and how you can use that to write your book. There's a book inside of all of you. And if you want to write a book, the best way to do it is to learn mind mapping, because that will remove the fear and that will remove the whole organization question for you, and it will give you the freedom to move back and forth on the different topics and the nonlinear